Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can see your mentions on TikTok. So if you want to see the history of mention where your friends mention you in a TikTok video or maybe on the comment sections of a TikTok video, you can just follow my steps right here because there might be some changes in the past and now to where you can see your mentions. So first, let's launch the TikTok app. Okay, so in the past, if you want to see your mention, you can just simply go to inbox, and here you can see your activity by click on this and you'll see the mentions in here. And you can see this is the mention, but my friend seems to delete it. So if you want to see the history, you can just go with this. So this is not update, so you can just go to your activity center by going to your profile, then just tap on the hamburger icon, this three lines icon at the top right corner, then go to the settings and privacy, and under the content and display you'll find activity center. So when you tap on that, you'll be directed to the activity center page where all of your TikTok activity will be recorded in here, including mention. So in here, and if you scroll down, you'll see the mention history. So when you tap on that, you'll see the history of the mention. And if you see the content or the video that you are mentioned or where your friends mentioning you, you can just tap on the mention itself. If the TikTok video is not deleted yet, then you can see the content again as well as the comment. Like here, you can see someone or my friends here is mentioning me on the comment section, and this one at the top is someone mentioning me in a TikTok content. So that's it. That's how you can see or view your mention history on the TikTok. I hope this simple TikTok tutorial will be helpful for you. So if you guys think so, don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon. And if you have any question, you can leave a comment down below. And to keep supporting us, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also click on the thanks button below. I'll catch you all on the next tutorial. Bye!